Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be playing Subway Surfer Haunted Hood. Let's get started. Before we start, make sure you like, subscribe, and subscribe. Yeah. We're also gonna be doing a giveaway of, let's see, $20 and to a lucky subscriber, and that's it. All right, let's get started. Okay, sorry guys about the background, by the way, if you hear anything. Okay, so far we got like $11. Guys, I died. Okay, we're gonna, oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna play again because I accidentally died. Okay guys, if we die, I have to say yes to one lucky subscriber. So if I die this round, I have to say yes to a lucky subscriber. Guys, and I do not want to do that. Guys, I love you guys, but I don't want to do that because I'm not trying to waste money now. Here we go. I think we're doing plant, yeah.
Yo, shout the season.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Dude! Guys, that doesn't count. Yeah, guys, that doesn't count. Oh my gosh. Okay, we got a lot of money. Guys, that wasn't a die. I didn't die, guys. I'm not lying to you.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No boy.
Okay, guys. Okay, we go. I love these. Okay, guys. So we have $100 right now. Okay, we're gonna get that little metal part thingy. Oh, I just hit myself. Ooh. Okay, we got A. We just need N and T. Okay, we're gonna try to get all of these coins and not miss one. Alright guys, so I hope you guys are having a nice day. I know I am. This game is fun. Give it a 5-star rating. I like it. It's actually really entertaining for if you got no Wi-Fi. Okay guys, so my new high score was 3,392. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have 11,520. Okay guys, so yeah, that's all it for today's video. Or actually, I think we could do one more game. If I die, there's gonna be 2 lucky subscribers. Alright, y'all. But I hope you guys are having I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.